Unraveling the layers, mastering the phrase, put on some layers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common, yet often misunderstood phrase, put on some layers. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding to your vocabulary. It's about grasping a cultural practice that is essential in many English-speaking countries. So, let's peel back the layers of meaning together and get a clear understanding. The phrase, put on some layers, is a practical piece of advice that means to wear multiple layers of clothing. The idea is to dress in several pieces of clothing one on top of another, such as a shirt, followed by a sweater, and then a jacket. This is especially useful advice in cold weather, allowing you to adjust your comfort level by adding or removing clothing based on how cold or warm you feel. Layering is important for several reasons. Firstly, it's a flexible way to manage your body temperature in varying weather conditions. By layering, you can easily remove or add clothing to stay comfortable. Secondly, it's a cultural practice in many countries, particularly those with cold climates, where knowing how to dress appropriately for the weather is a vital skill. Let's break down a few examples of how to put on some layers for different scenarios. For a chilly day, you might start with a cotton t-shirt, add a long-sleeve shirt on top, and finish with a lightweight jacket. For cold weather, begin with a thermal undershirt, add a heavy wool sweater, and top it off with a windproof and waterproof jacket. For variable weather, start with a base layer like a t-shirt, add a hoodie for warmth, and carry a foldable rain jacket in your bag. 1. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer to keep sweat away from your body. 2. Add an insulating layer to retain heat and keep you warm. 3. Finish with a protective outer layer that shields you from wind, rain, or snow. 4. Consider the fabric of each layer. Natural materials like wool and synthetic fibers like polyester have different benefits. 5. Don't forget about your extremities. Hats, gloves, and scarves are essential parts of layering in very cold conditions. And there you have it. Put on some layers is more than just a phrase. It's a practical strategy for comfort and survival in cold environments. It reflects the importance of being adaptable and prepared for whatever the weather might bring. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and enriched your understanding of the English language and its cultural nuances. Stay warm, stay smart, and until next time, happy learning.